Hi, Dr. Grover.
And welcome back to Technology Talks with Sam and Whitney.
Get excited because today we're teaching you about blockchains. Sam, what would you say blockchain technology is and how it works?
A blockchain is a series of time-stamped records of data that is managed by many computers that aren't owned by a single entity. These computers are bound and secured to each other through the use of cryptographic principles, which is why it's referred to as a chain. For example, many people know blockchain as the technology that powers Bitcoin. Information is stored in blocks. These blocks don't change. Much like a general ledger, when data changes, a new block is added and dated. For a new block to be added, a complicated puzzle must be solved, the solution shared, and then once verified by 1,000 up to 1,000,000 computers, it's added to the chain, creating a record that's unique. This process keeps the blockchain accurate and less susceptible to tampering.
Wow, that type of technology sounds really helpful, and it has to have a lot of impact on businesses. Blockchain technology can and is impacting businesses in many ways. Blockchain technology is based off the concept of a general ledger, once a notebook, then a file on a computer, and now a blockchain. Blockchains are used to keep track of something of value, something businesses have to do. Blockchain is a technology, not a network, meaning that businesses can have multiple different blockchains for different sets of data. But to stay competitive, businesses want access to as much information as available. Blockchains enable a vast spread of information, easily and quickly accessible. Blockchain technology can also save companies time and money by getting rid of intermediaries. But instead of hiring an outside party to look through records and decipher data, companies can do this on their own, with each block of the blockchain dated and organized.
You're right, Whitney. Blockchain technology has had a huge impact on businesses. And I think that it is so interesting to see how blockchains can impact specific fields within a business. A business field that has already been proven to have been benefited and predicted to benefit increasingly from blockchain technology is human resources. Blockchain technology will soon modernize the way that firms hire employees by reducing the chances of being provided inaccurate data about candidates because of how quickly blockchains can verify information. Blockchains make it so much easier to store, enter, and search for data and information about current employees, making records more organized and accessible. Another potential application for blockchain technology is within federal and state departments. Because blockchains can be public, private, or both, government organizations can store records and information on a blockchain. For example, a state department could have arrest records available for viewing to the public, but the chain is still private in the sense where only authorized users can add records to it.
Although many technologies come and go, we believe that blockchain technology isn't just a fad. Because blockchain technology provides a more efficient and effective way to store data, we don't foresee its popularity fading. Companies see its value in storing and retrieving data. More and more companies will implement blockchain technology as they see other companies benefit from it. Blockchains are just simply a modernized general ledger, leading us to believe that they're not just hype, but a better way to track items or information of value. Technology is always growing and improving, meaning that although we believe blockchain technology is more than just hype, it may not have that much staying power. If a faster, more efficient way to track information or items develops, blockchain could easily become obsolete.
We are so glad that we got to tell you about blockchain technology, how it works, its potential uses in different fields of business, and the way that it's impacting businesses today and in the future.
Thanks so much for listening and letting us teach you again.
Bye!